Goodbudget app review. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to review the Goodbudget app, a popular budgeting tool that uses the envelope budgeting method. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Goodbudget uses the envelope budgeting method, which helps users allocate money for specific categories and stick to their budget. The app allows syncing across multiple devices, making it easy for families or partners to manage their budget together. It has a simple and intuitive interface, making it accessible for users of all levels. Goodbudget offers a free version with basic features, making it accessible for users on a budget. And it provides detailed reports and insights on spending, helping users analyze their financial habits. The free version has limited envelopes and accounts, which may not be sufficient for all users. It requires manual entry of transactions, which can be time consuming and prone to errors. And the app lacks features for tracking investments or more complex financial needs. Overall, Goodbudget is a solid app for those who prefer the envelope budgeting method and don't mind manually entering their transactions. It's particularly useful for families or partners looking to manage their finances together, but it may not be the best choice for users with more complex financial needs. That's all for this video.